Most Jeep owners don't know this, but they're slowly destroying their paint. This 2025 Jeep beside me sets an example of what you should do, and today we're going to show you what we did to protect it.
This Jeep came in for our Silver Package ceramic coating. It includes SB3 Thirty3, a durable professional grade coating that lasts 3 to 5 years. Perfect for the daily drivers here in Kansas City.
And they're perfect for Jeeps because they're exposed to more dirt, dust, and road salt than almost any other vehicle.
The number one mistake Jeep owners make is running these through automatic car washes, especially brush car washes. Jeeps have surprisingly soft paint, and because the body panels are big and flat, scratches and swirls show up immediately.
Off-roading makes it worse. Winter makes it worse. Even wiping the paint with the wrong towel can leave damage. Once those scratches are in the clear coat, they don't come out without professional correction.
That's why we coated this Jeep with SB3 Thirty3. A ceramic coating adds a hardened, hydrophobic layer over the paint. It makes it more scratch resistant, it protects the paint from UV fading, and it keeps mud, bugs, and road salt from sticking.
Washing becomes easier, drying becomes safer, and the shine stays deep and glossy for years, not weeks. If you daily drive your Jeep around Kansas City,
or take it down gravel roads,
or hit the trails on the weekends,
a ceramic coating is one of the smartest upgrades you can make.
These fender flares scratch instantly. The coating gives them real protection and helps your Jeep keep that new look a whole lot longer.
If you want your Jeep to look like this, glossy, protected, and easy to clean, hit the link below or visit ricksreflections.com, 913-777-9545.
We ceramic coat over 200 vehicles every year here in Kansas City. Help us protect yours next.